had a lot of comments here from customers. In the last few months, I've had a lot of customers talk to me about this idea of everybody wants to talk about building a data lake and throw data in and some miracle's going to occur from that. And a lot of them are struggling with it. And I compare it to what happened with IoT early on. We were all rushing out to build IoT platforms, and we tried to do it. And many other companies have done it and never really took off right away in the way we were positioning. And I think it was because a lot of us were positioning it as a platform. And I may have told this story before, but I was sitting with Roland, our CEO, years ago, before he was even our CEO. And I said, what's going to happen, Roland? Everybody's going to try to build it themselves. And they're going to fail, but they're going to try. And I said, I know that because that's what happened with Teamcenter many years ago. They tried to build it themselves. And how many people are really successful today building their own PLM? No one, right? You can't keep it up. You can't play that game with an R&D approach. And then finally, again, back to RapidMiner, I think this is something that is an untapped big opportunity for us. I know that from an Altair point of view, there was a lot of work being done here, but I don't think there was the sales force that we can apply to this, the breadth we can apply, and then coupling it with what we do with Mendix and a few other things. We think this is a real opportunity for our customers. Again, I'm already hearing from people, if you can do all this, why do I need a Snowflake or a Palantir, particularly when Palantir says they own my data, which I still don't understand how that can happen, but we're going to come at this hard and show you. And I think this is something where I think you as analysts and others, I think it's a help you could make to the industry is helping people understand just throwing data in a data lake isn't going to get you there. You've got to do more, right? And we think we're a big part of how we can bring that together.